Hello, I'm Quentin Tor from Leafcloud, and today I'll show you how to deploy an instance using our web interface. An instance is a virtual machine that you can add to your Kubernetes cluster. So we're going to start with a new tab open, and we're going to create .leaf.cloud. Here you will have to log in first, but I'm already logged in, so we get this standard page. Then we'll go to Compute, Instances. And here you can click on Launch Instance. So it will pop up this new menu where you can give your instance a name, a description if you like. We don't care for that right now. The availability zone shows where the instance will be deployed. I will leave that in Amsterdam right now. Count is the amount of instances with the same settings that you'd like to deploy. So if we create a configuration right now and set the count to 10, then when we click on launch instance, it will launch 10 the same instances. But right now we'll just need one. So next we'll go to source. We'll leave this as image, and here we'll select 10 gigabytes. This is the instance's storage. And underneath available, here you can choose your OS to run on your instance. We'll choose Ubuntu 20.04.1. There we go. And now we can continue to flavor. This is the hardware the instance will run on. We'll choose the EC1.small server. All the EC servers are Leaf sites where the heat is reused locally. Then we'll go to network, we'll choose external, which is the public network. Lastly, we'll create a new key pair, since I don't have any key pair yet and I don't have any key pairs on my computer. If you have key pairs down here that are on your computer as well, you can select the key pair, or you can import your own key pair from your computer, but we'll create one. So we have to click on create. We'll just call this key pair. It's an SSH key, and we'll create the key pair. So we can copy the key and paste it in a new text file, and then we'll save the text file somewhere secure on my computer in the SSH keys. Here we'll just call it private key, and it's saved. Okay, so now that we've saved the private key, we can go back to the web interface and we can click on done. So now we've automatically selected our key pair. So usually if you don't create a new one, it will be right here, and then you can select it with the arrow. But we're done now with the configuration, so we can click on launch instance. So now at instances, you will see your own instance that we've just created, and it's still creating it, and you have to wait a few minutes before it's ready to go. Okay, so now a few minutes later, our instance is running and we're ready to use it. Okay, so now we've created our instance. If there are any other questions, you can leave them in the comments. Bye!